जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे बोलो भारत माता की बोलो भारत माता की।
थैंक यू मैडम।
Exercise begin.
Now we start our cultural program. Welcome speech by our principal.
Address WWA President Srimati Sushma Singh, School in charge Srimati Sangeeta, School Secretary Srimati Kameshwari and other committee members.
Tejeshwar Gaud, LKG A. Subhash Chandra Bose, Siddharth Gaud, LKG C. Sarojini Naidu, Sahasrarati, UKG D. लाला लजपत राय, रोहन
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, मोहम्मद तमीम अहमद, इंदिरा गांधी विभा, मंगल पांडे, रितेश,
नाना साहेब अमित चंद्र, अब्दुल कलाम, डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम, UKG E. भगत सिंह, विवेकानंदा, LKG E. चंद्रशेखर आजाद, कृष्णा कौशिक, LKG D. मौलाना आजाद, सात्विक रेड्डी, LKG D. मदर टेरेसा, लिविया, UKG E. Everybody give a big claps. They are our future leaders and the national freedom fighters. बोलो भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
Thank you, children. I request WWA President Srimati Sushma Singh to kindly come to the dais to speak few words.
Good morning, children. Every time I'm coming here and say good morning, and unless I hear loud, we keep repeating, good morning, children. Dear parents and everyone present here, first and foremost, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Secondly, the children, they are looking like those poppins, if you remember your childhood. This is how that packet, once we open, it used to look like. Regarding the progress Ankur Vidya Mandir is making, I am too happy for that. And I request all of you to give a hearty clap to all these teachers and the team here sitting. I just request the teachers to line up here just 2 minutes. Kindly do so. And the committee members also who are putting in a lot of effort, kindly make it fast because everybody has to leave. Kindly line up, huh? Line up. Line up. A straight line. So this is the backbone which works effortlessly, selflessly for all the things which are happening here in Ankur Vidya Mandir. Okay? So a big clap for all of them. And I take so much of pride and nothing makes me more happy standing here in front of all of you and appreciating my team. Apart from that, nothing much, a lot of changes, we are standing by our motto, spreading happiness. There is nothing left, not to make it a success, and many more celebrations to come, more of happiness. And parents, I am really thankful to all of you for supporting the way you are all doing it, because getting a child 7 o'clock here is not something very easy. You have all succeeded. आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं. धन्यवाद. ऐसे सेलिब्रेशंस होते रहेंगे, फिर मिलेंगे. सभी को एक बार फिर से बधाई. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Now speech in Hindi by Lakshmi Sahasra, UKG B section.
आदरणीय यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए मुख्य अतिथि प्रधानाचार्य अध्यापिका और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों को मेरा प्रणाम. सदियों की गुलामी के पश्चात 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन आजाद हुआ. पहले हम अंग्रेजों के गुलाम थे. देश के अनेक वीरों ने प्राणों की बाजी लगाई. इस दिन हमारा देश आजाद हुआ, इसलिए इसे स्वतंत्रता दिवस कहते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Lakshmi Sahasra. Here comes Eva Ipshita to present solo song from UKG A section.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. My name is Eva Ipsita Sahu. I am studying in UKG A section. We are Indians, bold and free. We love our lovely country. We are Indians, bold and free. We got our lovely country. We salute our flag with love and pride. We salute our flag with love and pride. And sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Standing side by side. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Evi Ikshita. Now Lakshmi Prasanna from UKG E section is going to present a speech in English.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Lasmi Ganapati Prasuna. I am studying this UKG E section. Respected President Madam, Vice President Madam, School in Charge, School Secretary, Principal, teachers, parents, and my first wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today we all celebrating 68th Independence Day. India was ruled by the British. Many great leaders fought for our country, sacrificed their life for India's freedom like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India to hold our country. Thank you. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Lakshmi Prasanna. Here comes Nandini Sharma from LKG F section to give a speech in Hindi.
हुए मुख्य अतिथि एवं प्रधानाचार्य, अध्यापिका और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों को मेरा प्रणाम। सदियों की गुलामी के पश्चात 15 अगस्त सन 1947 के दिन आजाद हुआ। पहले हम अंग्रेजों के गुलाम थे। देश के अनेक वीरों ने प्राणों की बाजी लगाई। इस दिन हमारा देश आजाद हुआ, इसीलिए हम इसको स्वतंत्रता दिवस कहते हैं। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Nandini Sharma. बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की। Thank you, children. Names of the students. Tanvika Reddy, Moksha, Pallavi, Alokshini, Avani Singh, Akshaya Rathod, Supriya, Vainavi, Sharman, Nandishwar, Ujjwal, Divyashree, Bhavyashree, Angan, Mahima Priya.
జనగణమును పద పద పదమని జనజాగృతి పలికిన గీతమే వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం నీ లక్ష్యం ఒకటే సోదరా నిర్లక్ష్యాన్నే నిలదీయర వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఎవరే మన్నా ఎదురే మైనా జన చైతన్యానికి సారథి నీవై సాగరా సుజలం సుఫలం ఇది నీ గమ్యం ఇక సస్యశ్యామలమైపోతుందిర భారతం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఓ వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఓ వందే మాతరం हर देश मोहब्बत मस्ती है हर दिल में भरी सच्चाई वंदे मातरम ये देश प्यार की मिट्टी है हर देश मोहब्बत मस्ती है हर दिल में भरी सच्चाई वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम జనగణమును పద పద పదమని జనజాగృతి పలికిన గీతమే వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం నీ లక్ష్యం ఒకటే సోదరా నిర్లక్ష్యాన్నే నిలదీయర వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఎవరే మన్నా ఎదురే మైనా జన చైతన్యానికి సారథి నీవై సాగరా సుజలం సుఫలం ఇది నీ గమ్యం ఇక సస్యశ్యామలమైపోతుందిర భారతం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఓ వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఓ వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం ఓ
जैसे होली यादों में रंग रंग रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला इश्क का रंग यहाँ पर गहरा
Thank you, children. Very good performance. We all are proud to be an Indian. Now, oath of thanks by Srimati Radha.
It is my privilege to convey the vote of thanks on the occasion of 68th Independence Day celebrations, which has been successfully organized and conducted by Ankur Vidya Mandir. A great leader's courage to fulfill his vision comes from passion, not position. On behalf of Ankur Vidya Mandir, I'll take this opportunity specially to thank Sri Bharat Singh Sir, General Manager, Ordnance Factory Medak. We are indeed grateful for the gift of your support and guidance. I would like to express sincere thanks to Srimati Sushma Singh, WWA President, Srimati Sangeeta Rao, School in charge, and Srimati Kameshwari, School Secretary, WWA Committee members for the guiding and encouraging the staff in carrying all the activities of Ankur Vidya Mandir. I sincerely thank all the officers of DSC, EM, MT, PDO, Y&D sections for their help in maintenance and organizing the program. I convey my heartfelt thanks to all the parents for their support and cooperation. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our school dance master Mr. Suresh and all the Ankur Vidya Mandir staff in making the program a grand success. Once again, thanks a lot one and all. Jai Hind!
Now I request Srimati Sushma Singh Madam to give our children sweets.
Thank you.